Alright, this one goes out to Lucifer the Faggot. So, you're asking me if this candle here was a valid sell entry on the hourly. It isn't. It isn't. Let's see why that didn't work out for you. Alright. One thing I use a lot is the 1272 extension. So, 1272. Alright. So what happened here was it pulled off the 1618 level and came down. But if you go on to a lower time frame, I bet you 15 minutes or something, you got this pattern, which is telling you that it's going up. Alright, so on the hourly it came down, closed as a doji, and then what happened next was, you know, it traveled back up, you know, gave you a bullish candle or whatever, bullish close, and tell you it's long. The thing is, it's in a range right now, really, so it's just kind of trying to, every time it shoots back out, people buy it up because, you know, it's a lower low, and they know it's going to pull back up in the range, and then they short it again here, and, you know, that fucking happens back and forth. One thing you should look for is, are we at support and resistance over here? Is there any support resistance down here? You can see we're kind of at like of a bottom here, but that doesn't mean shit right now. The daily candle, let me see here. You know, we got decent sized volume on it, nothing too special. I don't really like the Euro Japanese yen pairs, and this is mainly the reason right here. You got fucking wicks for 80 pips, and the candle basically did nothing. I mean, I fucking absolutely hate this pair. Here's a sell entry right here. You got your fucking uptrend. You got your engulfing candle on the daily. All right, you're going up. All of a sudden, you get a doji at the top of the range there, and then a bearish close. All right, so there's your entry onto to sell it, and you know you take that all the way down, and it fucking drops. Alright, let me show you pound US dollar and what I'm thinking it's going to do. Yesterday I told everyone that pound dollar was actually going to go up based on that 4-hour candle. I wasn't too sure of it, so I didn't take the entry because this like literally fucking moves 200 pips in a fucking day, and I don't really like that it moves 200 pips a day, because not only does it cost a lot to fucking trade it, or maybe it doesn't. Maybe it doesn't really cost that much to trade it, but it just moves a lot, and you gotta have good stops, or else you're gonna get fucking boned. So that's why I don't trade. But pound USD, pound odd was waiting for pound USD. Oh, wrong chart there, pale. All right, pound odd was down there and it was ready, and the reason why was because it came down on the daily to that other area there, close enough, right? It came down in that range. And you know it came down to the range because the medium of that range, because when it came down here and engulfed, you know, made the lower low, you know, that was basically where the range was. So it came back down to that range, and now it engulfed on the daily, or not really engulfed, but train tracks. So it's probably going to travel back up. How many pips it travels up, I don't know. And the reason why I wouldn't get too bullish about this yet is because how quickly it dropped down. And don't forget, on your weekly, we do have an engulfer up there, so it could retrace up there again. It you know, maybe makes. I don't think it's going to make a higher high. I don't know what the news is for next week either, so I wouldn't be looking at that too much. But you know, we got train tracks here, so it is possible to take this up, maybe to you know, maybe the 50% area or something, and that looks like probably where it's going to go, is right at the 50% area. So you know, watch for that. You know, if this closes as an engulfer or train track today, I mean, it's only 10 a.m. right now, so I don't really know what you know, what's going to happen by the end of the day. So that's that. But you know, it came down, bounced off the 50% level there, and now it's coming back up. It's not a long. I think it's kind of a, I don't know, it might be a trap, to be honest. I wouldn't fuck around with it. You could take a long there and take it up for maybe fucking about 80 pips, 90 pips or so. You know, but be careful. I don't know if it's a change of trend yet, because that weekly candle's still holding up pretty strong there. And I don't really like to use the stochastic to judge my trades, but you know, I see that there, and I just that's what it is. Remember, pound USD, I had it called to come up here and then go short at 6,900 area, and then a buy at 17,245. If we take a look at pound USD, that was earlier. That was on Sunday. I said that. Take a look at the pound US dollar. All right, let's see here. Currently, I'm down right now, about 53 pips, because I fucking shorted it there on emotion, and I seen it drop earlier today, which was wasn't a great idea, but I'm still short. It's still bearish. The weekly's still bearish, so I'm okay. I'm okay with holding this. I got another short up here at 50% of that retracement, which is right here. You can tell that's where a bunch of stop orders are and shit, or not stop orders, but entries or whatever the fuck was going on there. That's where it's going to go to. So this daily will probably close as an engulfer, maybe. Maybe not. Who the fuck knows? Maybe it might close as a doji. Well, that's possible too. And then tomorrow it might close as a bullish close on the doji. So I wanted to show you here though, real quick, that head shoulders pattern I had. It went up to 169. That's it. You know, I kind of missed it. Missed it by probably. Where did I say it was going? Yeah, I missed it about by. I had an entry up here, I think. Let me see. Slightly above that shoulder there. Oh, that wicked. What is that? The 4 hour. Right there. Okay, so I thought it was going to go short around here. But then the next signal came to go short was right here, so I entered on it. There was another signal to go short, and now the thing is we're losing volume. So we gotta go up to get some more fucking sellers on board, and then we can go short again and drop another fucking 100 pips down. But this trend's not over yet, so don't get too bullish on it. You should still be looking for shorts, or just leave the market alone and let it do its thing for a while. I got in a little too early down there. And, now I'm paying for it by fucking down 51 pips. But, I don't mind. I don't mind at all. It's okay. So, yeah, I had it at 67425 for the buy. And if we go down to the hourly, 67425, so exactly, you would have been down maybe 15 or 16 pips at one time, and you could have possibly gained 79 pips. Oh, this thing's dropping right now. What the fuck's going on here? Ooh, looks like we're getting some action there. Very cool. Let's see here. Might get a pin bar there, so who knows where it's going to go next. We'll see how this closes. It sucks for all the buyers. I shouldn't have fucking bought in today. Alright guys, take it easy. Thanks.